Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing one of the most futuristic devices Samsung has ever created, the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. Yes, the Trifold smartphone that turns from a compact phone into a full tablet and even into a mini laptop layout. In this video, we're going to explore how big it really gets, what materials Samsung used, what features it brings, real-life advantages, and why this device is making huge waves in the tech world. So before you buy it, watch this full video. Let's start with the unboxing. Opening the box, you see the sleek, folded Galaxy Z Trifold resting right on top. The packaging is minimalistic, clean, and very premium, exactly what Samsung is known for. Inside the box you get the Galaxy Z Trifold itself, a Type-C to Type-C cable, documentation, and of course, Samsung's protective film already applied. There is no charger brick, as expected. The first impression, it looks futuristic, compact, and incredibly well built. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, the design. The Galaxy Z Trifold is crafted with Armor Aluminum 4.0 frame, Samsung's strongest frame material. Ultra-thin glass 3-layer structure for the foldable segments. Reinforced hinge mechanisms with carbon fiber infused joints. Aerospace-grade durability, lighter yet stronger. When folded, it looks like a thick smartphone. When unfolded once, it becomes a mini tablet. And when unfolded fully, it becomes a full-size Trifold 10 to 11-inch display, depending on the model. This device is all about engineering excellence. The hinge movement is smooth. The magnets hold the panels in place, and everything feels solid. The display is the real hero. Samsung uses dynamic AMOLED to X panels, up to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, peak brightness up to 2200 nits, ultra-thin glass that bends in 3 sections. The phone transitions between phone mode, dual mode, and full trifold mode. This allows multitasking up to 4 apps, desktop-like layout, full-screen gaming, movie-level viewing experience. You can literally carry a tablet in your pocket. Powering this device is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Samsung's latest processor depending on model. 12/16 of a gigabyte RAM, 512 gigabytes or 1 terabyte storage. Ultra-efficient AI-supported performance. The phone handles everything: gaming, editing, multitasking, and heavy apps with ease. Its thermal system uses new graphene cooling sheets, making it cooler compared to older foldable models. Samsung didn't compromise on cameras. Expected configuration: 5MP main sensor, 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP telephoto 3x optical zoom. New under-display camera when fully unfolded. Improved low-light performance with AI ISP. You can use the phone half-folded as a tripod mode for stable shots or vlogging. The larger unfolded screen makes editing photos and videos extremely convenient. Samsung has optimized 120+ major apps for the Trifold format. This device stands out because it's not dual fold. It's Tri-fold. Bigger screen real estate, more multitasking options, stronger hinge durability, more premium materials, better cooling, more innovative design. It's for users who want the power of a phone plus, tablet plus mini laptop in one device. Buy it if you love multitasking, you need a portable tablet, you create content, you travel frequently, you want the most futuristic smartphone. You want Samsung's best innovation in 2025-2026 tech. The Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold is expected to be priced around $1,899 to $1,199 USD, depending on the storage option and region. It is expected to launch globally soon after Samsung's official Unpacked event. So this was the full unboxing and detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. If you want more honest tech coverage, more reviews, and more amazing breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching And I'll see you in the next video.